How to fix I can't comment on TikTok. So if you're facing a problem with commenting on TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and then if you simply try to comment on some videos. So for example, I'll be going to the comments, and if you try to comment, then if you don't have an option to comment, or if you're not being able to comment, or if your comment is not posting, then the first thing you need to check is you have to have a stable internet connection. You have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your commenting might have an issue. So even after checking the internet connection, if that problem doesn't fix, then the next thing you have to do is simply wait. So sometimes if you have commented in a huge amount, like if you have commented, if you have constantly commenting on some videos since the last few hours, then TikTok may freeze your account for 24 hours, and after 24 hours you can comment it again. So the main fix is to wait for 24 hours, and even after waiting for 24 hours, if your problem doesn't fix, then you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go to the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy, and then scroll down and go for report a problem. And here you can simply scroll down and go for follow, likes, comments, and favorites, and then go for comment section, and then unable to post comments, choose that option, and then here it will give you a guide on what to do if you are not being able to comment. Like you need to log into your account, and then you need to check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. You can switch between that, or you can clear the app cache, or you can also restart your app or your device, or make sure that you are using the latest version. So you can go to your Play Store, and then you can update your TikTok application if you are not using the latest version, or you can also restart the device. So even after doing all of this, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply tap on no, and then tap on need more help. So here under the feedback, you have to write that I'm not being able to comment on TikTok, please help me with that. And then you can also upload some screenshots, and after that you can simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of that screen. And that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.